String to dictionary in Python. So I've spent way too much time on this, and it seems to me like it should be a simple fix. I'm trying to use Facebook's authentication to register users on my site, and I'm trying to do it server-side. I've gotten to the point where I get my access token, and when I go to this URL, I get the information I'm looking for as a string that's like this. Key error. I tried using Django.serializers to deserialize it but had similar results. Any thoughts? I feel like the answer has to be simple, and I'm just being stupid. Thanks for any help.
This data is JSON. You can deserialize it using the built-in JSON module if you're on Python 2.6+, otherwise you can use the excellent third-party Simpleton module.
Use ask.literal_eval to evaluate Python literals. However, what you have is JSON, note true for example, so use a JSON deserializer.
In Python 3.x,